What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to iron a silk shirt properly. Let's get started. Let's start off by looking at some of the things you'll need to iron a silk shirt. You'll need an ironing board, an iron, a spray bottle filled with water, and a thin cotton press cloth like a bandana or a pillowcase. Today, I'll be ironing this turquoise 100% silk shirt for men, which has wrinkles under the arm, down the chest, at the bottom of the shirt, and all over the back. Now let's get started with the step-by-step instructions on how to iron a silk shirt. The first thing you need to do is turn your shirt inside out. You should never iron a silk shirt from the shiny front side. Then proceed to lay the shirt flat and evenly on the ironing board. Next, use your spray bottle to add moisture to the silk. The shirt should be damp but not soaking wet. Now, use your cotton press cloth to cover the area that you wish to iron. Make sure your iron is set to the very lowest heat setting, or if your iron has a silk setting, use that. Begin to hand press the iron down on the silk shirt. Do not drag the iron from side to side as you might do with a pair of jeans or a cotton t-shirt. Also make sure that the steam function is activated, as the steam helps to remove wrinkles from your silk shirt. Continue ironing and adjust the shirt as well as the cotton press cloth as you make your way throughout the garment. When you're finally finished, remove the shirt from the ironing board and take it to a dim, cool place to hang and air dry. So now that I've completely ironed the shirt as well as given it time to dry, you can see that it looks flat, pressed, and wrinkle-free. And now, it's ready to wear. Looks pretty good, right? Let me know what you think by writing in the comments below, and make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.